Hello, I'm Kimberly Emerson, a backend developer with over 20 years of experience building solutions such as REST APIs, database extract, transform, and load projects, deploying and managing cloud applications and virtual machines. But that's not all. Forget surface level tutorials. We're diving deep into the back end of modern applications. You'll learn how to build robust APIs that scale. Master the command line like a pro. Architect databases that perform. Create secure authentication systems and deploy production ready applications. Whether it's Node.js, Java, SQL, or MuleSoft, we'll master the tools that power the world's most successful applications. But this isn't just about code. It's about becoming a confident, capable backend engineer that can solve real world problems. Each week, we'll tackle actual development challenges, debug real issues, and build production ready software together. If you're ready to move beyond basic tutorials and master backend development, then hit that subscribe button and join me each week. Allow me to be your partner in transforming your curiosity into expertise.